Hi and welcome to our knotted braid tutorial. If you really love it, please subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more tutorials. And a big thumbs up and ding the notification bell. So we start off with two sections. Take a triangle section and place your client's hands up so that she can help you with assisting with holding the braids. You take two sections and you basically just fold one over the other like a shoelace and tie the knot. Keeping your tension, place those two little shoelaces, I'll call them shoelaces, in between the fingers just so that the client can keep them out of the way while you take your next section. Now this is the base of the braid so that you can actually get the idea, and then the rest of it is actually quite repetitive. But you take another section and just keep that out of the way, place it in between the fingers, do the same on the other side, and again take those two sections and do another shoelace. So you just knot it. To keep it simple, I like to go right over left and do the shoelace. Get your client to hold those two pieces of shoelace, and now here comes the little bit of a tricky part. You take another section like you did earlier, but instead of doing just a shoelace, you actually take the first section underneath the second section to turn that into your third section, but then that becomes one section. Always maintaining two sections. So you repeat this on the other side, and then you actually join the two together as another knot. Always keeping two sections per side and the first section underneath the second section. Now you just repeat this all the way to the bottom of the hair until you run out. And now I'll show you how to do it in fast motion. Remember the head is round as well, so when you take your sections into the braids to knot, you actually start taking them on a diagonal forward angle. And when we get to the back, I just do a basic 4-strand braid. I pin it up and we're done. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more tutorials, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.